My account was banned for the fourth time. For the fourth time! I swear I need a freaking award for the amount of times my account has been banned. But on the good side, I did get it back in only 2 days, and I'm about to tell you how I did that. So, stay tuned. Hi guys, my name is Gummy or Rin. Welcome if you are a new viewer. What's up? Today I will be telling you guys how to get your account unbanned, or at least try to get your account unbanned, and I will be starting a new series on my YouTube about tips and tricks on how to grow your TikTok, how to get money from TikTok, and all those tips and tricks on how to do TikTok, I guess. So if you want more of this, please do subscribe and follow up for next week's video. I'm going to start this video off with saying I've seen a lot of people try and get a hacker to get their account back or unbanned. Let me tell you now already, it does not work. It is false advertising. Don't even try to do it. Just don't do it. It's just sus in so many ways. Don't do it. Go the right way. Do it properly. Because even if you do get your account unbanned, you're probably going to get a ban again. So don't do that. Don't do that. I would also like to just say, if your account does not get put up again, I do apologize. But if you know you're doing shady shit on TikTok, then your account will probably not even get put up. So you know what content you produce on TikTok, you know what you did, and if you did shady shit, then your account probably is not going to be put up again. But, you know, you can still give it a try and see if you can get your account back. So, let's get right into it. I will say once again that getting your account unbanned does depend on how many videos has been taken down on your account. So if you have a lot of videos that have been taken down, I really hope and pray that you have submitted an appeal to get it put up again. And if they have been putting the videos up again after you have submitted an appeal, then you are in good luck. This is gonna be your day then, hopefully. Hopefully. And if they probably don't even put your videos up again, you can probably say that that's going to happen with your account too. You're not going to get it back. But you can still try. So, starting with that, let me just tell you guys now already, if you don't submit an appeal for any of your videos when they get taken down, please do, because when your account does get banned, that helps you a lot in the long run for actually trying to get your account back. So, yes, don't forget about that. I do assume that you have already tried to at least submit an appeal on TikTok itself when it told you that your account has been banned. I am guessing or hoping that you have already submitted an appeal on TikTok to get your account back. And if you have already, here are a few different ways to also try and get your account back quicker. And this is what I did to get my account back, and it took 2 days. Previously, since this is like the fourth or fifth time my account has been banned, for the past few bans, like 3 or 4 bans that I've gotten, it was around 5 days to a whole week. So I must say it does depend on where you live in the world, because I am in South Africa, and over here they deal with things pretty quickly, much quicker than they used to. So I'm not sure how it is in your country, but it might take a while. So you're just gonna have to sit back and relax and spam the living shit out of this email. So good luck. Let's begin. So the email that I use to spam the living shit out of is privacy@tiktok.com. I've been using this one for the past 3 to 4 times that I've gotten banned. I used a few different emails too, but some of them have been taken down, probably because people like to spam them. But this is the one that I sent an email saying, hey, my account's been banned, wrong, can I get my account back, blah, 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 blah. And the thing is, they will send you an email back with a link to go to TikTok. So they send you a link, you click on the link, you go to TikTok, it sends you to like a TikTok webpage, and you practically have to fill in all your details. You fill in your email, you fill in your username, you fill in that you would like to set an appeal. you would like to appeal, or whatever you want to call it. And then here is when they ask you for the details of why do you want your account back. And this is where you need to really sugarcoat things. This is where you need to make the best freaking essay in your life. Because these people are really picky. For some unknown reason, they're really picky. Even, yeah, they're really picky. So make sure that when you write your essay or type in your essay, that you have to put every single little detail of why you need your account back. And let me give you a few tips and tricks on how I did mine. For the past few like bans I've gotten, I have added some stuff and I have deleted some stuff up to that, but this is roundabout how I did my essay on why I want my account back. Firstly, this is where you would practically put in, my videos did get taken down previously, but they were put up again after I submitted an appeal. And you can even check that they were put up again. So if that is in that part of the email, they'll probably be like, okay, the videos did get put up again, so there's nothing wrong with this person's account. Okay, let's just give her account back, Just get out of here. Get out of my face. So they'll probably do that. And on top of that, I also did find out that a lot of people get banned because they think you're underage, So I also like to put in, I am not underage on my essay, because for I think the first 2 times that I got banned, it was because of they thought that I was a minor apparently. But I do stuff on TikTok, I'm a cosplayer and a gamer and a e-girl, if you want to call me that, and they practically take it as you're underage, you can't do that on TikTok. So that does help you a lot. So first thing is you say hey, my video has been taken down, but they put up again. Second one is definitely, I'm not underage. Put that in there, please. Okay, so once you have done that and you submitted it, I would suggest maybe spamming that 5 times. You do that 5 times in a row, even if you just copy and paste that essay into the next time you just submit it the whole time. And then after the 5th time you do it, at least wait a minute or so that TikTok doesn't think it's a random bot just spamming their accounts. So do it 5 times and then wait a minute and then do more. If you really want to do more, you can, but I didn't really, the last time I got banned, I didn't even do it that much. I think I did it maybe 10 times. That sounds a lot, but it's really not, trust me. I've done way more. As I have said before, it does usually take around 3 to 5 days, but it depends on where you are in the world. So I can't really say for sure how many days it's going to take for you, but as long as you spam enough, if it's around 3 days, I would say at least spam 5 messages a day. If you really, really want your account back, you can do more. But yeah, hopefully you do get your account back. I really hope and pray you do. And if you do, please tell me in the comments. I really hope this video helped you guys out. And if you want more tips and tricks on how to grow your TikTok, how to get money off of TikTok, or anything like that, do submit an appeal. Do subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.